My name is Derry Ganshorn, and I'm the Executive Director of the Homeless Garden Project. We're a transitional employment organization. We're really focusing on job readiness skills, communication, time management, teamwork, conflict resolution, and professionalism.
We get the soil ready literally from shoveling compost to broad forking, irrigation lining, planting seeds. We have a store downtown where we make candles and teas, bath products. Not necessarily I say the everyday tasks are what's going to get us employment other places, but it's the time management skills, the accountability, working with a social worker to maybe sign up for school or learn a new trade. The Homeless Garden Project has given me a second chance at life. Like, my sobriety was one thing, but like without being able to get a job, where was I going to go from there? I would still be homeless and not be able to pay my own rent or move forward in my life.
Over the last 10 years, I believe 95% of our graduates have gotten into jobs and 88% have gotten into housing. That's a phenomenal success rate. So to anyone who doesn't think that people experiencing homelessness want to work or can work, I mean, those numbers just tell a whole different story. I do think we enjoy pretty broad community support. People feel such a sense of ownership about their roles here. We have CSA members. We've had as many as 3,000 volunteers in a year. The social workers, our interns, we have a lot of interns from the university. And then of course we have donors. 61% of our income last year came from donors. And we really can't do this work without that kind of support. And again, I hope that it's reciprocal, you know, that they're giving of themselves, but they're also getting something back that's really meaningful.